Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the waffle V-stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the double crochet stitch and be familiar with the double crochet V-stitch. I have videos on all those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the waffle V-stitch. This is what it will look like. If you're starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to want to make chains in the multiple of 5. For your first row, you will make 2 double crochet into the 6th chain from your hook. Chain 1. Then 2 double crochet into the next chain, skip 3, 2 double crochet into the next chain, chain 1, and then so on for the rest of your row. You would then make 1 double crochet into the last chain of that row. Then I will be showing you the row that you will repeat for however long you want your project. This is going to be 1 row for the crochet waffle V-stitch. I have already made 3 chains on my hook. You're going to skip over this first stitch right here, connected with these chains. You're also going to skip over this second stitch right here. You're going to be working into this third one. You can see that it's already a V-stitch set up. You're going to be working a front post double crochet over that third stitch. Then in this space right here next to it, you're going to work a double crochet V-stitch. That's a double crochet, chain 1, and a double crochet if you are unfamiliar. Then in this next stitch right here, you're going to work another front post double crochet. You would then skip over this stitch right here, skip over this next one, and you can see that there's another V-stitch right here that's sort of raised. You're going to do the same thing what you just did right here. You're going to work a front post double crochet over that next raised one. Then in between, you're going to work a double crochet V-stitch. Then you're going to make a front post double crochet over this next one. That's how those are looking. You're going to repeat this for the rest of your row. Once you get to the end of your row, you're going to skip this stitch right here that's sort of behind this raised V, this one. You're going to work a double crochet into the chains that you made in your last row. That double crochet at the end is going to match that chain 3 that you made at the beginning of your row. So then I'm going to show you the back of my work so you can see how it's going to look. You can see that by making those, I have made those raised ones that you are also going to be working into to make those front post double crochets and then the regular V in between. So that's going to be how to make the crochet waffle V-stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.